You only need a knife to install the underlay. A good underlay insulates sound but also stops rising moisture and eliminates small irregularities. Therefore, it is an essential part of the floor, and moreover, it's easy to install. Roll out the underlay across the length of your room and use a board to press well against the walls. Ensure that the end of the underlay is a bit higher than the edge. This makes it easier later on and protects against rising moisture. Use your knife to cut off surplus and don't panic if you happen to touch the wall. This will be covered with skirting boards later. Always follow the line of the wall nicely by pressing well. Never put two layers on top of each other because this will create unevenness. Remember that you want your underlay to be as even as possible. Immediately secure the first sheets of underlay with a laminate board and work towards the wall. Professional tip: rounded or slanted walls. Problems with cutting the underlay. Then make a rough cut first to get rid of most of the surplus. This will let you work a bit more accurately and you don't have to constantly hold up the entire roll. Need more tips? Take a look at the other quick step tutorials.